Hello everyone, I hope you are doing fine and welcome back to the channel. So off lately, I've been reading a bit about spirituality and also about Vastu. And what I realize is that there are certain elements that you can throw in various corners of your house and it will add to the Vastu of your house. So just to kind of, spice up the zen, I saw one of the products which will definitely go with the interior and will also satisfy this demand of Vastu. So while I was going through the different corners of the house, I realized that in the northeast corner, if you put something related to water, like a small water fountain, a small faucet, and you always keep it flowing, it really improves the Vastu of your house. After doing some research, I came across this small water fountain from KALONA. This is a 10-inch fountain and I got it from Amazon. I'll put the link of the product in the description and you can check it out. And I think this will definitely fit the space that I have in my kitchen, that is in the northeast corner of my house. So let's quickly take this out and then we will install it. So the product comes with an instruction sheet and I will surely recommend you to read it. It has all the assembly instructions and also some tips and also some troubleshooting tips. So yeah, definitely read this. Now let's look at the product. So in the first glance, it looks like it is made up of stone, but I am pretty sure this is plastic and they have provided some stone kind of feature in the front. And if you turn the product, you will see that there's a pipe which is going down over here. I think you will have to plug in your pump over here. And it also has a wick. So this wick comes in with a cup where you can put any kind of plant that you want and it will help to keep the plant hydrated. And it also comes with a pump. Now this is a very small pump over here and these are the cushions for the bottom of this entire stone structure, and here is the pump. So all you have to do is plug in this pump into the back of this fountain structure over here, pour in the water and it will start working. So let me quickly assemble it. So the first part of the assembly, it already come pre-installed with the cushions. Just in case you need extras, they have provided it. So I won't have to do this. The next, I have to connect the pump. So you have to connect this. You have to connect this connector that's inside over here, and then just make sure that you screw tight this pump over here. Now do not plug this pump in unless you have filled this fountain with the water, because if you keep the engines running dry, it will definitely not work. So yeah, so I think that's pretty important. Next is you have to take this part of this tube which is gonna supply the water and put it inside over here in the pump. Now make sure that once you put this inside, you keep this pump completely submerged in the water, because that's pretty important. Otherwise, it will not work fine. So that's the reason, do not start the pump until and unless you have water in it. Now you can stretch this cable till whatever length you want. This is 6 feet in length approximately. Okay, so now I think I'm good. All I have to do is just pour water. All right, so now is the time to fill this fountain with the water. Make sure you have enough water such that this pump is submerged. So I filled the fountain with water. Just make sure the pump is completely submerged. That's the indicator, and now I will plug this in. It is very calm, very less noise. Actually, you can only hear the sound of the water flowing and not the pump. And you have a small yellow color LED light over here just for the ambience. And you know, this looks very pretty. Wow, I think this will really add to the interior value of the house. Yeah, now let me place it at my kitchen in the northeast corner, and let's improve this in. I've placed this small bamboo plant in the cup. I think it is going very well with the fountain, and I have this meditating Buddha statue, which is again complementing the entire corner. I hope you all loved the video, and if you are looking to improve the Vastu of your house, then definitely this can be a great addition to the northeast corner of your house. Now, I'm not a Vastu expert. I was just reading about it and doing some research, and then I got this product, and I think this is really going in well with the entire interior of my house. So don't take my word on Vastu, do your own research, and then you can add certain elements which will definitely improve it. Now, thank you for sticking till the end, and thank you for all your support. Let's see you guys next time with another such product, and I'll unbox it and I'll show you how it works. So till then, please have fun, take care, and enjoy yourself.